Open your preferred web browser and type the default IP address or http://tplinkwifi.net in the address bar, and press enter. The default IP address for all TP-Link routers is 192.168.0.1. Once at the login page, enter admin in lowercase for both username and password, and then click on Login. Click System Tools, then on Password. Then type in the old username and password. Then type new username of your choice and new password of your choice. Enter the new password twice to confirm it. Click the Save button when finished. Note, after you change the username and password, please log into the router with its new username and password. If you forgot the new username or password, you'll need to reset the router to its factory default settings. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.